Hello, in this video I will show you how you can send order notification from your Shopify store to the customers. So once you're logged into the Tarjeeh portal, let's go to the bot manager and then WooCommerce Shopify automation. Click create, select Shopify. Here we will see what all the things we have required, like a campaign name. You can give your store name, and we have actually required a message template. So either you have the pre-built template, you can use that, or you can create a new template. So I'll show you how you can create a new template. Go to the message template. If you are creating this for the first time, message template. If you are doing this for the first time, just click it create and click default template button. Okay, once you click the default template button, just wait for a few seconds, then again click create and click general template. Here you will select utility, give your template a name. I will give order notification. Language you can select in which language you want to send the notification. I'll select English, and the category will be utility. Now I'll write down the message. I can include the name of the customer. You can create the template as per your requirement. So in variables, you can add multiple variables from the order. So I will just add price, total price, and the product details. Okay. You can create the template as per your requirement, and if you want to add a button with the confirmation message, you can also add a button where you can add like confirm order, cancel order, or the delivery date confirmation. So you can add multiple buttons in the message template also. I will go with the none. Create, save. Take few seconds. Our template has been created. Close. Now its utility is submitted. Click sync template. Order notification, utility, and it's approved. Now you can go back to the WooCommerce automations, WooCommerce Shopify automation, to create the order notification. Shopify, your store name, like Shopify store one I have created, and I've selected the store that you have integrated before. Action would be order notification. Message delay 0 minute, like instantly after the order has been created. The message template, the template I have created now, order notification. Country code, like where you are running your Shopify store, so you have to select the country code. Assign label, like here you can assign any label to any notification or to any store order notification. So there you can later on you can filter with the labels for that specific store. I will go without that. Saving. Once it's done, it will was done, you have to go back to the inbound webhook. Now inbound webhook, you have to click edit, and here you will see the webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL, go to your Shopify store. In Shopify store, what you have to do in the settings, notifications, webhook, create a webhook. Event will be order creation, same as it is. Paste the webhook URL that you have just copy it from here, just paste that URL here and select this latest, click save. Now go back and check the connection details. If this data is not coming, just go back to your store and create a test order. After creating a test order, again come here and click this connection details, and the data will be captured here. Now you can map the fields, like in the phone number, just simply if billing address, phone number, or the shipping address. I will select the shipping address, phone number here, and the username will be the name of the customer. I will select shipping address user, shipping address name, and the price will be the system total cart price will be the total price, and the product list will be the item line items. And if you want to create any conditions for to send the notification, you can create here, like, and down you can assign this specific store chat to specific your team member, or to specific user or specific agent. If you want to assign a specific store to specific agent, so you can assign in here, assign a label or assign a sequence means like a reminder message. If you want to send reminder messages after like once the order notification message is sent, and if you want to send the reminder messages after the order notification, you can assign a sequence here, and you can create a sequence in by going in the bot manager. You can create a sequence messages. Okay, the subscriber name, this customer will be saved in your subscriber manager, so the which name should be saved, you can save with the shipping name, the name of the customer, shipping address name. Okay, now save webhook flow. Now we will test this order notification. We will go back to the store. We'll create one test order. Complete order. Now we will go back and see if the order notification has been sent or not. Live chat. Okay, now we can see the order notification has been sent successfully. So you can create multiple order notifications, you can add multiple stores, and you can add multiple order notifications